Hey, welcome everyone. We are at Obsidian workshop where there's very interesting artisanal goods made here. And I'm joined by Miguel, who is an Obsidian worker, and I'm so excited to show you around. So, Miguel, where are we right now, and what do you do?
So we carved obsidian. We make different pieces, but in the area we can grow cactus, so we can have a chance to taste the cactus fruit as well.
Oh,
Okay.
¿por qué?
And no, this is different because
okay.
pulque is from the agave,
Okay.
but the cactus fruit is from nopal.
Oh, wonderful.
Okay.
Okay.
So those are the things we're gonna
So here's the
taste.
obsidian.
This is the obsidian. This is the raw rock. The way how it's coming directly from the mines, you can tell how it looks.
Oh, wow.
Once we chip the rock, it shines like this. But once we start to cut with a grinder diamond disc, it turns gray color. So we have to recover all this using the sandpaper and the same powder of obsidian.
Oh,
It's a long process to make these pieces. Nowadays, you can see we have diamond cutters, grinders, sandpaper. But 2,000 years ago, all the work was done by hand, using just other rocks, sand as as the sandpaper, and that's how people polished their rocks 2,000 years ago.
That's very impressive. How long would it take to do that process? by hand?
Well, there is at the National Museum of Anthropology a monkey vessel.
Yeah.
It's carved on black obsidian.
Oh.
To finish that piece, our people took at least 3 generations.
Was that the same obsidian monkey that was stolen in the
In 1985.
84, 85? Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So
Yeah, that's the same
That's the same one
piece we're
stolen,
talking about.
from the movie Moseo.
Ah,
Check it
yeah,
out. Yeah.
exactly. That one.
Wow. Okay. So this is the diamond cutting.
Yes, this is diamond wheel. This is what we use. With this, we start to shape the pieces. Then with the grinder, we start to take all the edges. But you can see it's rough, so it's not the whole process. After this,
Right.
we get inside and you're going to see another tool. This is more fine. You can see and feel if you want.
Oh yeah.
So
Wow,
here
that is
we're
very
going to make smoother surface. And this is now ready to be polished.
Oh, fascinating.
After that, we're going to use sandpaper. Sandpaper is to polish, is to recover this.
So it turns from that to this.
Exactly.
Oh, wow.
You can see the
That's the difference. Wow.
yeah, but it's not shiny yet.
shiny,
So after this, we're going to collect the powder. This is the powder. We put water. We get a paste, and the paste we're going to put on the leather, or we can use a cotton as well. After using this, we rub the piece here, and you can tell the difference.
Yeah. Wow.
It's
That
a-
is very shiny. And yeah, this feels
Same-
rougher, but this one's a bit
Yeah,
smoother.
yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the
Beautiful.
part of the process. Okay.
And the white lines are natural.
Natural. The colors we're going to see black, brown, silver, golden, and rainbow.
Okay.
Those are 5 colors we work with. We could find more, but in this case we work only 5.
Oh, wonderful.
We'll find in volcanic places, but most of the times it's just black.
Yeah.
So Mexico, we had a chance to see different colors. Let me show you these colors outside.
Yeah.
So you can tell this is the gold obsidian.
Wow.
I'm not sure if you
Can
can
I-
appreciate.
That would be great. Wow, that is fascinating.
This is the gold one.
And it gets sharp at the end, right?
Yeah, it could be sharp.
Could be, yeah.
Uh-huh. But this, in this case, we don't make the sharp as our people made in the ancient times.
Right, right. Not for cutting hearts.
No, no.
that's
This is the silver one. You can tell.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah. Oh, wow.
The silver, we have the rainbow. I hope you can see rainbow.
Wow.
If not, we got to have a shot of tequila and then
Yeah.
you'll
yeah.
try again.
Right.
This is rainbow. This is the brown one. It's obsidian as well.
Oh, beautiful.
And black. This is pure one. No minerals.
That's super black.
Pure, pure.
Wow.
Uh-huh. And people use them as a mirror.
Yeah.
It was to find the acceptance of who we are. People say we are the spirit, we are not the body. And also, we think people use them to watch the eclipse because you can see through the mirror, but only the black one because no minerals. So I'm not sure. Can you see the sun?
Yeah, very, very. Oh yes, I can.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Uh-huh.
That's very impressive.
And well,
this
these
one?
are. Well, this is another piece. It's carved in obsidian, but then has been covered with other rocks to make it more colorful. We make pieces like this ones here, which are copies of the ones were made by the people in the ancient times.
Yeah.
And we make like this, where we put straight lines only. So this is just imagination. Duality: life, death, sun, moon, day, night, all the opposite things, but part of one.
Beautiful.
You want to see lapis lazuli, jicorita, the brown obsidian shell.
Oh, you got all the different stones there.
Yep. We had this, is shiny and matte polish. This is the gold one. And then you have to be careful because you could find fake ones. These are glass, but man-made.
These are fake. Interesting.
Man-made.
That's
It's hard to tell, but
Yeah.
you can find.
Yeah, right.
This is the unpolished obsidian.
I like the look of the unpolished obsidian as well. It's
Yeah.
very nice.
It's nice. So here we have the chance to see the pieces they've been finished, but some others we didn't have the same chance because we find veins. So this is not good for us because if we try to finish the piece, it's going to split
Yeah.
because it has like mud capture in it.
Oh, so it'll break off. Oh,
Uh-huh.
I see.
So that's why it's better just to leave it. And like that, it happens with many other pieces we have there.
And can we see the store to see
Yes.
how many different pieces you have?
Why not?
I love that.
Vamos. You want to taste this products? These are the products. This is the cactus fruit. It's sour.
Okay.
It's sour. We call choconostle.
Choconote.
Choconostle.
Oh, fascinating.
It's
All right.
sour.
Let's try it out. Let's try it out. All right. 'Cause I'm running out of battery. Hopefully.
Okay.
All right.
Ay, ¿en esa chiquitita?
Wow. It tastes like a pickle.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Is it fermented?
No, it's raw. It's
raw.
raw fruit. Uh-huh.
Oh, wow.
So we make that, and then we dry the fruit, and we mix with flavors. So the red is chamoy,
Chamoy.
sweet sour. Orange is spicy, and the yellow one is sweet.
Oh.
So
I can't wait to try
we
that.
can-
Okay.
yeah.
So this is dried fruits right over here. Let's try it out.
Dried prickly pear. This one.
better. Or
It has a
good?
kick.
It's good.
Has a kick?
It has a kick.
Nope. I like it. It's
Yeah.
very sweet as well. So that's the prickly pear
Uh-huh.
that Huitzilopochtli was talking about, right?
Yeah.
In the plant, right?
Exactly.
Nochestli is the plant. This is the salsa made with the choconostle.
Okay.
We use dried peppers, but instead of tomato or tomatillo, we use choconostle.
Choconote. Okay.
So if you like spicy, try this.
All right. Let's try this
A
out.
ver,
Como no.
¿cómo? No,
La macha sí la sí, ¿crees?
no sé. ¿Si aguanta la macha?
La macha, él.
No, no. La
Bien
macha.
bueno, ¿qué pasó?
Sí, es que la macha es un poquito más picante.
Oh, no. Yo creo que está bien.
Pues bien dijiste,
I'm
no.
alright with the spiciness, but that was very good.
Yeah.
Ahí puedo todavía tener un poco de sabor.
Sí. So after that, we're going to taste the marmalade.
Jam.
Hey, can you pass me my backpack? Because I need to hook it up to battery.
No, la macha no.
This is marmalade
Marmalade. Okay.
made of the same fruit. So again, the duality, we can make like spicy or we can make sweet.
Oh, fascinating. Oh, I love that. Spicy and sweet.
Yeah.
And that's why that's common in Mexican culture. There's a lot
Yeah.
of sweet and spicy mixed together.
Exactly. So we can add to the apples spicy chili, mango.
So Rodrigo, feel free to ask Miguel a question.
Sorry?
feel free to ask me again any questions.
Oh, sure, yeah. So this is known as the lime of the desert. What are the properties of this prickly pear?
Well, it has maybe not as many properties as the politicians, but a lot of properties to reduce fat, sugar levels, and many others.
It's known as the lime of the desert. they
Yes,
say,
because of the sourness
and has more vitamin C than actual lime.
than any other citric.
Than any citric. That's amazing. And all these products easy to be found in Mexico City?
Yes, Mexico is rich in.
But for example, the dry fruit, can you find them in a grocery store in Mexico
Oh,
City?
no. Maybe you could find the raw, but not the dried fruit.
It's
So if
more
you
like a
want to
local
get,
product.
it's a local product. If you would like to buy something, we have some products.
Fascinating. So, all right, let me try
Try.
this.
Yes, this is a.
A jam.
Uh-huh.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Try.
All right. Thanks. So I'm here joined by Rodrigo and Mike. Yes.
Another mic.
Marina.
Marina.
Very nice.
Eres Miguel también.
Marina.
Oh, mucho M's hoy.
Mucha M.
Triple M.
M. Oh, that,
Precisamente.
Yeah.
Eso sí está bien bueno. Very good.
See,
What is that? ¿Qué es eso?
it's the same fruit. Uh-huh. It's the same fruit. Choconostle.
Choconosle, the prickly pear.
Prickly pear.
And then this is the jam.
The jam. Oh my god, I gotta buy one of these. Oh, I can't bring it to New York. Damn customs.
Yeah.
This is mermelada de
Choconostle.
choconostle.
Ajá.
Voy a ir a las tiendas que son mexicanos allá en Nueva York para comprarme uno de estos.
I'm not sure if you can get it, but
Yeah.
try.
I'll try my best. That's very good. If anyone has the chance, come to Mexico and try this. This is probably one of the better jams I've tried.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And then we have liquor
Liquor, okay.
made of the same
Ooh, nice.
cactus fruit. 15% alcohol. Sweet.
Oh, okay. It's not too
Dulce.
heavy.
Not too heavy.
Sí. Not too heavy. Nice.
Gracias, señor.
Nada. Cheers. Salud.
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 Cheers.
Oh, wow.
Bueno,
Eso sí, excelente.
excelente. Y ya para rematar, mira, mezcal.
Mezcal, okay.
Sí.
Wow, esto es bien dulce, so it's very sweet. It tastes very fruity. It almost tastes like a peach juice.
Almost like peach juice.
Yeah, almost like a peach juice. It's very interesting. And it tastes, almost like a peach juice or a kombucha without the fizz. Yeah. Wow.
A ver.
Déjame enseñar
Mezcal.
otra vez esto. Let
Sí.
me show this again. Licor de
Choconostle.
choconostle. Choconostle. Yeah, beautiful.
It's the same as this. It's the same prickly pear.
Yeah.
And it's local production, so this is not yet industrialized to be found everywhere.
Okay.
That's why it's one of the secrets of the town or of the pyramids.
Ooh, okay.
Oh.
So, real secrets. Okay.
Try now mezcal. Mezcal is more strong. 40%.
40%.
And people say it tastes a lot more like whiskey.
Like whiskey. Okay.
So
Alright.
try.
Some
Sip.
mezcal.
Salud.
Salud.
Cheers.
Salud.
You know what? It's not as hard hitting like a tequila,
Tequila.
like American tequila, which could be very kind of rough.
Yes.
This one tastes also more fruity,
Smaller.
more sweeter. It's also has a bitter taste to it. Yeah, very bitter taste. Yeah, bien amaro. Yeah,
Amaro.
yeah. It's very good. I really, really enjoy it. This is a very, very good mezcal. So what's the
Mezcal.
name of the mezcal again?
Mezcal, este es Reserva del Viejo.
Reserva del Viejo, which stands for Old Reserve.
Or the old man's reserve.
Okay, oh, del Viejo, so
Del
Old Man's
Viejo.
Reserve, yeah. Herradero, what does that mean?
Herradero.
What does
Herradero
Pasero.
is the place where they make like horseshoe. The horseshoes. Yeah.
Oh, horseshoe, okay.
Yeah, that's where they make, or where the place where the Iron Mans work. iron guys.
Te olvidaste del detalle más importante.
El gusano.
El gusano,
Ahí
but the
está el
most
gusano, ahí
important
está.
detail
It's a worm.
is that there's a worm in my mezcal.
But the worm is rich in
Yeah,
proteins.
it's rich in protein. So nice.
Proteins.
Is it fermented by the
No,
worm
it's
itself?
just put in there. They fry it first,
Yeah.
and then they put them in there.
Okay, so it's not sitting in a long time in this bottle, getting fermented.
No.
No. Okay. So fermented. It's not fermented worms.
Not
It's
fermented.
fried worms.
Fried.
And it's supposed to be good luck if you drink it, right?
People say the ones who gets the worm and eat it, you get 7 years of good luck,
Oh,
or 2 hours in the bathroom. Hey, no, just kidding.
that sounds like a good option. Yeah. Which one do you choose? Let us know.
Yeah.
Bien rico. Oh,
Sí.
wow. Puedo tener una galleta para wash it down para.
Sí.
Qué bien. Con la mermelada.
Sí, claro.
Gracias. Yeah, I need a little bit of food to wash down all that the heavy liquor. Muchas gracias. All right.
Oh la la.
Delicious. This is really, really unique Mexican cuisine, which I don't find so easily in the city. No he encontrado esto tanto en la ciudad.
No, ni en la ciudad. Luego hay gente que, in the city, you'll find people say, oh, I don't know, choconostle.
Oh,
So,
right.
even when you're in the land of tuna or choconostle, there are people they don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Especially middle upper class is like, what? Choco?
Chocowa.
Yeah, you know, it's the little thing that grows on top of the nopal. The what?
Yeah, they what? They what?
Those Polanco people. No, I'm just kidding. If you're more connecting to the
You'll
to
find on the
fields,
flag,
ground,
on the flag,
working
what?
class, then you'll know it better.
Which flag?
Posh people, yeah. That's funny. Que bien. Gracias por thank you for showing us all this spread. It's amazing. Yeah.
It's the best bar in town, I would say.
Yeah, yes. The bar. Did you make it yourself as well? The bar.
No, I would like to have the skill to do that, but no. I like to talk only.
So it was like, do it.
Yeah, do it.
So let's show the store, I guess. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, to finish off. Oh, you have more sweets.
Yeah,
over
here we have marmalade, the salsa, and these are our pieces.
Oh, beautiful.
So you can tell we have small pendants, earrings, and most of these are copies of the ones you can find at the museum. Remember?
Yeah.
Monkey,
This is the
Monkey.
Obsidian monkey.
Yeah. Skull, the duality,
Wow.
and other pieces.
The one with the feathered
That's
headdress.
the idea of sun god.
Sun god, okay. Beautiful.
Donatio.
Tonati.
And you have Tlaloc?
Tlaloc is the statue. Well, this is the goddess of water, the female, and this is Tlaloc.
Oh, that's amazing. Oh, I love that. Do you have a smaller one?
No, that's the smallest version we have.
That's beautiful. Wow. I love all these wonderful.
We have turtles.
Oh, you even have Quetzalcoatl.
That's a feather serpent, Quetzalcoatl, the fire god, Huehueteotl, Pacal, Maya,
Ah, yes, Pacal.
the Olmeca head, like this here.
Yeah.
I'm sure if you can appreciate
there.
that. That's the Olmecas.
Wearing the helmet, or what people say could be.
Hey, it could be a helmet. Yeah.
And then all these pendants.
Small pendants, earrings, stones for massage. You can tell all these massage
Oh, these are massage
pieces.
stones.
Mhm.
And what are these?
As well, massage.
Also- It looks like for espresso.
It can be. Yeah.
That's beautiful. And you have more Olmec
Oh, but those are made of clay.
clay. You also work with clay?
No,
No.
most of our pieces we make is obsidian.
And do you sell it online?
We have some pieces on Facebook.
Oh, cool. What-
We are as a Casa Mestle.
Casa
You can
Mestle.
find us as a Casa Mestle.
Yeah.
Our logo is a rabbit. So let me show you.
Yeah, sure.
Because you could find maybe another Casa Mestle. This is the.
Okay, everyone.
Sure.
Be sure to check this out. This is really awesome if you want to support some local artisans. Casa Metzli, right here. Miguel, thank you so much for showing us around. That was wonderful. I'm gonna buy myself a souvenir because actually these pieces look beautiful and so well crafted. So everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Keep being awesome and always keep on exploring. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.